Moonwalk fundamentals. Plant one toe stopper jam plug, back straight, core tight, and you're going to lunge forward and back, making sure that your body goes with you and stays nice and straight. Keep the weight even on both sides of your feet. So when you actually do the movement, you're not going to wobble too much. So the same amount of weight on this leg is the same amount of weight on this leg. Switch sides. Practice the other side. You're going to have one side that's weaker than the other. That's totally normal. Just keep practicing. Next step is to practice the foot switch. So plant your toe, bring your foot forward, then bring it back, and then when this one goes up, the other one goes down. Then repeat.